Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up payroll in FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Very simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to set up payroll in FreshBooks. And a couple of information I'd like you to know about payroll to see if you are eligible to use the payroll feature and what it is like to set it up. I'm also going to let you know what the payroll is not available to anyone, to just any FreshBooks user. So I'm just going to show you who is eligible to get the payroll feature and how to set it up from there. So what exactly is the payroll feature? All right, so FreshBooks Payroll is powered by Gusto. It's a paid add-on that allows businesses in the United States to run payroll for employees, file payroll taxes automatically for each particular tax, and maintain labor compliance. First, you set up your FreshBooks Payroll with your business and bank account information, onboard employees, add state tax details, and sign documents. Then once your FreshBooks Payroll is set up, you can run payroll and review payroll details as needed. Now, this is an important information I'd like you to know, and that is FreshBooks Payroll is only available for US-based businesses with employees W-2. And if you're using other Gusto features listed in payroll eligibility here, use the Gusto app instead. So it means if you're not running a US-based business with W-2 employees, then you will not see the payroll feature available in your dashboard. So payroll add-on and usage fee, so it's a paid feature, right? So FreshBooks Payroll is a paid add-on with additional usage fee. So FreshBooks Payroll add-on, this is billed every month, every year on your FreshBooks subscription for the payroll feature. And then the payroll usage fee, this is billed separately for your FreshBooks subscription. Usage fees are billed for each individual per month that is enrolled in payroll. All right, so how to set up payroll. Okay, so this is it. So this is payroll eligibility. Like I said, paid W2 employees process payroll with 4-day ACH direct deposit speed and run regular payroll. All right, so this is how to get it. So in your FreshBooks account, select the payroll section. This is your FreshBooks account. So right under here, if you are eligible from these options in the left navigation panel, you're going to find payroll just right under reports. Now, once you do that, under the FreshBooks Payroll powered by Gusto, select the Get Started button, which you're going to find here. So once you click on the payroll, select Get Started, then complete the questions to determine if FreshBooks Payroll is right for you. Now, if eligible, select Continue to set up to agree to Gusto's term of service. Next, complete the business information steps, which you're going to be prompted to complete. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your research.